How to use halation in Davinci Resolve. So here I'm just going to be using a picture, although of course Davinci Resolve, you can do this on a video. Now the first thing that you need to do is go to color, and now you need to use a tool that's only available in the paid version of Davinci Resolve. So yeah, just heads up. So let's type in halation. Let's drag this onto this node. Although you can create a new node and then use halation on the on that one, but I'm gonna do that on this one. Now the first thing that you need to do is select the camera that you took the footage with. However, I got this from the internet. I have no idea what camera they used, so I'm just gonna use timeline. Now you can increase the film saturation a bit, but the very important thing is the secondary glow. I'm gonna show you now. Don't overdo it, of course. I'm just gonna do this. Here you can add some grain. Now let's zoom in for you to see the grain better. As you can see, here it is. I'm gonna do that. This size should be somewhere like that. And there you go. That's how to use halation in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.